How to watch Netflix on Android Auto. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video I'll be showing you how to watch Netflix on Android Auto. So without any further ado, let's get started. First thing, simply make sure you have downloaded and successfully logged in with your current Netflix account on your device. Once you do that, I want you to come over to Play Store and simply search Android Auto at the top, and you will see if your device has automatically installed Android Auto. You will see the option called go to Android Auto setting like this. You can hear, so you don't need to download any application because it means that it has already installed in this device. So once you come over here, you just need to click on the go to Android Auto settings, and you can see you can connect a car by simply plugging in the USB cable to your car and this Android device, just like that. And once you do that, I want you to come over to the option called customize launcher. You can see it here. Once you do that, and you will see the list of items, the list of applications which you want to customize in your Android Auto application for it to show it on your car. So as you can see, it's not showing Netflix because I haven't logged in the credentials of my Netflix account. So once you successfully log in with your Netflix credentials, you will automatically see the Netflix application over here, and you can simply see the Netflix on your Android Auto application. So hope this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you in the next one.